Hello everyone, welcome to this very first Ensembl Facebook Live tutorial. My name's Ben, and in the next 5 minutes hopefully I'm going to show you how you can upload your own data to the Ensembl Genome browser. So what we're going to be doing today is looking at the Ensembl Genome browser, and we're hopefully going to show you how you can upload your own data to Ensembl. So I've quickly logged into the Ensembl homepage, www.ensembl.org, and the first thing that you need to do to upload your own data to Ensembl is to click on this button here that says Use My Own Data in Ensembl. So if you click here, this is going to take you to all of our help and documentation pages that have information about how you can upload your own data to Ensembl. So there's a couple of things that I just want to quickly point out to you here. The first is this link in the text here that says that Ensembl supports a number of different file types. So if you click on this link here, it will take you to a page that shows you all of our supported file formats that you can use when you upload your data to Ensembl. And if you're not sure what any of these different data types are or how they're formatted, you can click on them each individually, and that will give you some information about how to format the data ready for you to upload it to Ensembl. So I'm just going to use the back button in my browser just to head back to that documentation that we first looked at. And what we need to do now is click on this button here that says Custom Tracks. So when you click on Custom Tracks, if you've logged into Ensembl, like I have, you'll see up in the top right-hand corner here that I'm logged in. If you've never logged into Ensembl before, or you've never uploaded your own data, you should just have a normal data submission form ready for you to upload your data. And that's just by following this link here as well. So if you already have data like I have, if you click here, it will bring you to the page for uploading your own data. So what we need to do first is to give our data a name. So I'm going to just use Facebook demo as a name. And then we need to upload our data to the Ensembl browser. So we can do this in three ways. So firstly, we could paste our data directly into the text box. Or for larger files, we could upload our data using this Choose File button here for files up to a size of 20 megabytes. Or you could provide a URL. If your data is hosted on a public directory, you can just point Ensembl towards the file in that public directory, and you can upload much larger files that way. For our example, we just have a small bed file that describes some genomic locations that are structural variants that have been deleted in specific patients. So I'm going to paste the data into the box here. So this is the bed file format. It's very simple. It's a tab delimited file format, so it just describes the chromosome number and then the start and end position of our deletion. And then we've just named each of these different deletions as P1, P2, or P3. So these are the three different deletions on each row of our file. So the last thing that we need to do is just to choose our file format. So you can do that from the drop-down box. You can just select bed, which is the file format that we have. And then the last thing you need to do is just click Add Data. So hopefully, if you're trying this for yourself, you'll be able to see that the data has been uploaded. And you can actually now jump to the nearest region with data using the hyperlink here. So if I click on this genomic location, it will take me to the Location tab. And if we scroll further down and hopefully wait for the page to load, we're going to see all of the Ensembl data with our custom data track as well. So you can see here in the context track, this is the genome assembly itself. You can see all of the Ensembl data in separate tracks above and below the genome itself. And then at the very top, you can begin to see these custom data tracks that we've added. So you can see Facebook demo is the track name, and these three black blocks indicate the genomic coordinates that describe our deletion. So if you want to further manipulate these tracks, you can actually just drag them relative to one another. so you can look at them in the context of perhaps some of the forward or reverse stranded features. And if you want to configure the page even further, you can click on Custom Tracks, and now you can see that you have both of the, for example, custom data tracks added there. So you can either share them, you can either save them, share them, or you can remove them as you like. Okay, so hopefully that was a very quick demo of how to upload your own data. Hopefully it was really useful for you. We might come back and give another Facebook Live video very soon, so if you want to see something demonstrated, please do write in the comments anything that you want to see, and we'll hopefully be able to just give you a quick demo, show you how to do something that you want to do with Ensembl. So until next time, we'll see you later.